That was Seedance 2.5. I just uploaded 2 images of a woman, wrote a prompt for 30 seconds. That was the result. It looks like a real film with detailed nuances and expressions. Let's watch it again.
I honestly didn't expect it to look this cinematic. The camera movement feels natural, the lighting looks like it came from a real film set, and every shot just has that movie quality. I have to say, that's incredibly cinematic. Anyway,
if you want to try out Seedance 2.5, you can use AI platforms like openart. Simply go to the video section, then select the Seedance 2.5 model. Next, drag your reference images into the visual reference input box, just like I did here, and enter your prompt. You can also choose the resolution and video duration before generating. The Generate button will show you the number of credits required based on your selected settings. I'll leave a link to openart in the description below. openart is one of the most popular AI platforms, offering many of the latest commercial AI models in one place. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.